Have you ever thought about changing your investments to buy something you have always dreamed of?
Well, today, I sold Tesla stock to buy a Tesla Roadster, and here is why.
Let me slow this down. This story is not about a stock, and it is not about a car. It is about the moment you feel torn between keeping money where it sits and turning money into something you live with every day. If you have ever stared at an account and felt unsure, you already understand the tension. For many people in the United States, investing feels like riding a roller coaster you're not allowed to step off. The numbers move, the headlines change, your emotions follow. You tell yourself to hold, you remind yourself to stay disciplined, and yet life keeps happening around you. Rent still comes due, your car still ages, medical bills still show up. Work stress does not pause for market cycles. Pause for a moment. Notice where your attention goes when money feels uncertain. Selling a portion of an investment rarely feels neutral. It feels loaded. You start questioning timing. You question your patience. You question your identity as a responsible person. This decision started with that discomfort. Tesla as an investment carried meaning. It represented innovation. It represented long-term thinking. It represented staying the course. Holding it felt like proof of discipline. Letting go of it felt like breaking a rule. Sit with that. Many money rules you follow were never written down. They were absorbed from culture, from family, from fear. When you think about stocks, you might notice how quickly emotion enters the room. Confidence during highs, anxiety during drops, regret during pauses. Even when you say you're rational, your body reacts first. Ask yourself quietly, how often do your money choices feel calm versus tense? The decision to sell was not about predicting anything. It was about acknowledging shift. At some point, money stopped feeling like a future concept and started feeling like a present tool. That shift matters. Buying the Roadster forced money to become real, not a number, not a chart, an object that occupies space. In American life, cars sit at an intersection of logic and emotion. They represent independence. They reflect taste. They also bring insurance, maintenance, and responsibility. You already know this. What changes is how it feels when the decision is yours. Alternatives always exist. Different cars, waiting longer, doing nothing. Doing nothing often feels safest. It also delays clarity. Pause again. Think about a purchase you delayed for years. What story did you tell yourself? When the decision became real, emotions surfaced fast. Excitement showed up. So did doubt. That mix is common. It does not signal recklessness, it signals meaning. Selling an investment closes one door and opens another. You stop wondering what might happen there. You start living with what you chose here. This moment exposes values. Some people prioritize optionality. Others prioritize experience. Most people carry both and feel conflicted. Personal passions often get labeled as indulgent. Long-term planning gets labeled as responsible. Real life rarely fits those labels cleanly. Ask yourself, which label do you apply to your own choices? The deeper lesson sits beneath the transaction. Money decisions shape how you experience time. Holding focuses you on later. Spending focuses you on now. Neither is wrong. Both carry trade-offs. The tension only grows when you pretend one side doesn't matter. What changed here was awareness. Instead of ignoring emotion, it was acknowledged. Instead of silencing desire, it was examined. that examination matters more than the outcome. You will face moments like this, maybe with a home, maybe with education, maybe with health, maybe with something personal you have delayed. When that moment arrives, notice what feels heavy. Notice what feels alive. You don't need certainty, you need honesty. Let this story stay with you as a mirror, not a model.
If this made you reflect on your own money decisions, continue with another SpendSense with EFO video.
And keep observing how your financial choices shape your daily life.